Dear children, we shall learn rounding of numbers. In rounding of numbers, you learn the rough estimate or nearest value of a given number. I will explain you the concept of rounding of number with some examples. Now let us begin with the first example. Round 63 to the nearest 10. Now in this number 63, so you have to look at the digit at ones place. Tens place means we have to look at the digit at unit place or ones place. Now the digit in the ones place is less than 5. It is less than 5. Now if the digit in ones place is less than 5, you need not add 1 to 6. Just write the digit 10th place as it is 6 and make 3 as 0. So we have rounded 63 to the nearest 10. Answer is 60. Let us take the second example. Round 75 to the nearest 10. Now look at the digit at unit place, because you have to look at the digit previous to tens place, that is unit place. Now unit place is equal to 5. Any number equal or more than 5 you find in unit place, add 1 to tens place. 7 plus 1 is 8, because we have 7 in tens place, and make this as 0. Now we have rounded off 75 to the tens place. The answer is 80. Now I will give another example. Round 87 to the nearest 10. Answer. Now as you have done in the first two examples, look at the unit place. In unit place you have digit more than or equal to 5. It is more than 5. Therefore you have to add 1 to 8. It becomes 9 and make tens unit place as 0. The answer is 90. So we rounded 87 to the nearest 10. We got the answer 90. Fourth one. I am giving example next. Fourth example. Round 53 to the nearest 10. Now the digit in the unit place is less than 5. So as a rule, we need not add anything to the tens place, right? As it is, it becomes 5 and the unit place becomes 0. Now I am going to tell you the rules. Now if you have digits 1, 2, 3, 4 in unit place here, you round it down. If you find digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you round up. Once again I want to stress, if you find digits 1, 2, 3, 4 in unit place, you round up the number, round down the number. Or if you find the number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you round up. So in round up you are adding 1 to the tens place. In round down you need not add anything to the tens place. Now you know how to round off the given numbers to the tens place. Let us learn how to round off the numbers to the hundreds place. So with example I am going to explain. Round 152 to the nearest 100. nearest 100. Now we have to round this number to 100th place. In 100th place we have 1 and place previous to 100th place is 10th place. Now we have to focus on 10th place. The 10th place is equal to 5. If a number is equal or more than 5, so what we have to do? We have to add 1 to 100th place. Write 1 plus 1 is 2 and make this as 0 and this as 0. So rounded off value 152 to the nearest 100 is 200. So let me explain another example. Round 243 to the nearest 100. Answer. Now we have to round off this number to the nearest 100. In 100 place we have 2 and a number previous to 100 place is 10th place we have 4 and this is less than 5. This is less than 5. Because this is less than 5, don't add anything to the 100 place. Write as it is 2 and make remaining places 0, 0. This is the answer. We have rounded this number to the nearest 100. Next example. Round 785 to the nearest 100. Now 100th place we have 7 and a place previous to 100 place is 10th place. In 10th place we have number greater than 5. If a number is greater than or equal to 5, so I have to add 1 to 100th place. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8 and make remaining number as 0, 0. So again the same rule you have to apply, that is rounding down and rounding. If you have digits like 1, 2, 3, 4 in 10th place, you round down the number. If you have digits 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in 10th place, you have to round up. So remember this rule.